Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Cuphead in WinLator. First, you'll need to download the WinLator application and its corresponding OBB file from a reliable source. Once downloaded, install the WinLator application, then carefully move the OBB file into the correct directory on your device. It's crucial to grant all necessary permissions to WinLator so it can operate without issues. This initial setup is key to getting everything running smoothly before we dive into the game itself. Let's get started. Now that WinLator is set up, let's get Cuphead ready. Begin by creating a new container within the WinLator application. This container will house your game. Next, take some time to configure the container settings for optimal performance on your specific device. This might involve adjusting resolution or graphics drivers. Finally, copy your Cuphead game files into the designated folder within this new WinLator container. Make sure all game assets are transferred correctly to avoid any missing files during gameplay. With Cuphead files in place, it's time for the final touches. Inside your WinLator container, navigate to the settings and adjust the display and input options to your preference. You might want to customize controls for a better gaming experience. Once everything looks good, locate the Cuphead executable file within the container's file system. Double-click or select it to launch the game. You should now be able to enjoy playing Cuphead on your device, battling those challenging bosses. If you encounter any issues, remember to ensure your device meets WinLator's minimum system requirements. Sometimes, experimenting with different WinLator settings, like changing the DirectX version or CPU affinity, can significantly improve performance or resolve glitches. Don't be afraid to try various configurations. Also, for a fresh car interior, check out the link in the description for Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Keep tweaking until you find the perfect balance for smooth Cuphead gameplay. Happy gaming, and thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.